Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Automation Tour. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. So in the previous session, I have explained through Postman how to send GET request, how to send POST request, how to send PUT request, how to send delete request. So if you have not gone through those videos, so please go through once after this session. So we'll start now. So our today's topic is what is collection, how to create collection, and later we will see how to run collection runner. So collection is a group of APIs that can be organized into folders and they can be easily exported and shared with others. So I will explain in a simple manner. Suppose we have created one collection and inside that we have created two folders, one get folder, one post folder, and we need to put that get request inside that get folder, and we need to put that post request inside that post folder. So by putting these things into that get folder and post folder respectively, so it is very easy for others also to understand, right? So we will see how to create collection practically now. So we'll go to Postman, just click on new, click on collection and give collection name. So I will give collection name as API underscore collection 1. Now description is optional, so no need to give. If you want, you can give. And coming to authorization part, so this is very important thing. In this API, we are not using any authorization, so we will not pass. So let's suppose in the organization in which you are working, you need to use and authorize the request. So let's suppose I will take one basic auth, and for this basic auth you need to give username and password. So basically what does it mean? Suppose in this collection we have around 10 APIs. So all the 10 APIs have common username and password. So this is the basic use of this collection. Now suppose we'll come to pre-request script, test and variable. So in the collection label, if you have common test or variable or pre-request script, so you can put under this tab 6 respectively. So now as of now we don't have for this API, so we will not give. Now click on create. So you can see here, right? One collection is created here, API underscore collection 1. Now we will create three API, that is one for list user, one for single user, and one for create user. So these two are get request and these are post request. So all the things I have copied from one very good website that provides free API, that is reqres.in. So from here you can copy. So I have already copied these two APIs and this post API in the notepad. So I will directly copy from here. So let's start. So we'll create one API here. So before that, before creating API, as I discussed, we'll create folder, right? For one for get and one for post. So just click on these three dots, or you can right click here. So I will be using this right click here. You can use this three dots and click on add folder. And in other way, you can right click here directly and you can click on add folder. So I will be using this. So click on add folder and give folder name as get, and click on create. I don't know why it's not working. Oh, it's got created. Now we'll create one more folder, post, right? So click on add folder, give name as post, and click on create. So you can see these two folders are under this API collection 1, right? Now we need to create two requests, get request, right? So just click here and right click and add request. give request name as list user, right? So we'll give list user underscore users, and this is optional, so save to get. So you can see list user inside this get folder. Now we need to create one more request, right? So single user, just right click here, add request, single user, and click on save to get. Now I will create for post. Right click here, click on add request, and what is the name of this post? I think create. Okay, create, and click on save to post. So by default this is get, so we need to change it to post here now. Now all the three requests has been created under the get and post. Now we'll add URL here, right? So in the list users, you need to add URL. So just copy from here and go to Postman and paste it and save. Make sure you save, right? So if you'll see this red dot here, orange dot, it means it is not saved. And once you will click on save button, this will disappear. You click on save, so it is now disappear. Now go to single user, copy this, Control C, go to Postman, paste it here and save it. Now we'll come to this create one, right? Now we'll copy this, we'll paste here, and since this is post request, so we need to pass the body. We'll pass as a raw. So we'll copy this body, we'll paste it here. Now we'll click on save. Now it is saved. So all the three APIs are ready now. So now we need to run in a collection level. So just click on this three dot, or not red dot, that is fine. So we need to go here, not in three dot, this other you need to click and click on run. So before this run, I just want to explain this share. So by clicking on share, you can share that API collection to your workspace. So this is the description of that share. So no need to do that. I will just cross this. And if you go to this three dot, you'll find many things here, right? Duplicate, add folder, add request, create a work, mock collection, monitor collection. So by using this monitor collection, you can run your API periodically, like in an interval of 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So as of now, we are not using, so we'll just close this one. Now we'll come to run. So we'll run this API collection. So click on run. You'll find one tab here, like collection runner. So you'll find this inside this API collection, we have created two folders, right? So you can see here. So all the three API we are going to run. So it is already there. Well, it is already there inside API underscore collection one. So as of now, we don't have any environment. So we'll not select this one. See, in the coming videos, we'll show how to create an environment and all. So in this API, we're not using any environment. So let's suppose iteration will give 2. So 2 times our API will run, and delay will give as 0 only. And since we are not using any external data to fetch the data, so that is fine. No need to do anything here. And just click on API run collection. You can find, right, like this green signal and red signal. This green signal means pass, then this red signal is failed. So you can find totally all the two iterations are there, one iteration 1 and iteration 2. So inside this iteration 1 you can find two get requests are there and one post request. So all the requests in the iteration 1 got passed, and in iteration 2 all the two get request and one post request got passed, right? Now we'll see all these three things like run summary, export result and retry. So we'll come to run summary. So if you click to run summary, you'll find this high level information. Like if you click to this, you'll get information like this, like this. You'll get either all the high level information here. Like since our script passed, so we are getting all the green signal here, right? So this will go to the back. And even you can export this result. So that will be very easy for others to check the report, right? So as of now, we are not exporting any results. We'll click on cancel, and even you can you can retry by clicking here. So once you click on this retry, our all the APIs will run again. So we'll check, right? So we'll click on retry. See, it is running once again. So I hope you understand all the things here. So that's it from this session. In the next upcoming session, we'll learn how to create variable and use it in the request. So please like and subscribe the channel in case if you have not subscribed. Thank you all and take care.